guys, it's the Wise Ravenclaw and
the Super Slytherin!
And welcome back to Hedgehoggers! This is episode 4 of the very Stretchy Flamingo show. So, we are all excited. We all love this show. You Hedgehogger fans all love this show. Leave a comment down below and tell us how much you love this show. It's just a fun way to have fun. It just doesn't have to make sense, and we can all have fun together. One day, the very Stretchy Flamingo and the very weird snake were walking in the park. Da-da-da, walking noise, when they heard a very, 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 very strange noise. It was so strange. Then they heard a different noise, which was even stranger. Ah! What is this scary noise? It's so strange. I'm scared of strange, scary noises. I must find a hiding place. Hide! Where's a hide? Where? Hedgehoggers fans, comment down below where a good hiding spot to hide is. Because I really don't know. I will find one. Hiding spots. Okay. Hiding spot. And so, where's a hiding spot? I found something. I'm not here. Just then, there was another strange noise. Followed by another. And another. Wait a sec. These strange noises are getting less and less scary. Just then, a mysterious noise happened. Oh, okay, that one was scary. Where's your hiding spot? Give it. Are we hidden? Can you Hedgehoggers fans see us? Are we hiding good? Are we doing good at hiding? I hope we are. These noises are totally scary. I have an idea. We'll climb to the very top of a mountain. Then they'll never, ever be able to get to us. Those noises will be way gone away. That's the most brilliant idea. Where do you come up with these things? I'm pretty sure it's called a head. I don't know if many people have them. Anyways, let's climb to the top of a really tall mountain. Oh boy, this mountain is so high up. Look how high it is. It's going to take years to climb. I'm dying. A few seconds later, we will be safe at the top of this very, very, very tall mountain from the strange noises. But then, something scary appeared, and it made an even scarier noise. Oh my gosh, this isn't a good enough spot. We need to find somewhere better. Oh, we do. It's hide in here. Good idea. Those noises will never see us in a see-through plastic jar. It's so hard to open. Every person, flamingo, snake for themselves. We're in. Now the lid come on. Wait a sec. There's no oxygen in here. Oh well, we can worry about that another time. But then... Ah! The noise! The noise! The noise! The noise! The noise! The noise! We need to run! Here's a good hiding place. Oh. Get in here, the very weird snake. The noise will never find us. But then... Oh, the noise found us. Oh, run. I'm being eaten by this fish. Wait a sec. Is this fish making the noise? Ah, the noise! It's not coming from the fish! Run! This is so scary. I'm a scared noise. This is a very scary time of the day. Wait a sec. Isn't it the dreaded 1:32 p.m.? Yes, it is! That's the scariest time of the day! That's why the noise is after us! We have to hide, and I know where we can hide. We can hide in this tiger-shaped slipper. That's the best hiding place. The clock that's making those weird noises, obviously, will never find us in here. We are gonna live. We're not gonna live. Run! Get away from us, Shoo. Run! We're at a dead end. We're all gonna die. We're gonna die. Wait a sec. Look at that clock over there. It's 1:33 p.m. now. It's not scary anymore. The noise is still here. It's gonna get us. Oh no. We're in a dead end. It's gonna get us. It's coming. The noise. What was that? Something's coming. What? Hey! Wait, come back! Oh. Were you the one making the noise? Hey, wait a sec! This is Janet, my cousin! You have cousins too? I also have cousins! Hello, Janet. We are sorry we thought you were the incredibly scary 1:32 p.m. noise. You're just a harmless cousin. And everyone loves cousins. So subscribe to Hedgehoggers because they helped me find my husband's cousin, who turns out to be really nice, called Janet. And Janet is an awesome name, so look at her. She's so good and unscary.